Myself is Poonam Gupta and I am from Lovely Public Senior Secondary School. Wow! What a yummy breakfast I did today in the morning. It was pav bhaji, full of butter. The best part in the pav bhaji is butter only. I like yellow butter so much. Have you ever imagined how the butter is made? Oh, it's so surprising. Let's have a look.
बटर को किस तरह फैक्ट्री में बनाया जाता है। हर सुबह अमूल के बड़े बड़े टैंक्स विलेजेस में बने अमूल के मिल्क कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटीज से 20 मिलियन लीटर दूध फैक्ट्री लेकर पहुंचते हैं। यहां पहुंचने पर दूध की जांच करी जाती है और क्वालिटी अश्योर करने के बाद ये दूध स्टोरेज साइलोज में पंप कर दिया जाता है। अब इस दूध से बैक्टीरिया को अलग कर दिया जाता है और इसका सेपरेशन और पैस्चराइजेशन किया जाता है, जिससे क्रीम दूध से अलग हो जाती है। अब इस क्रीम को 8 घंटों तक 14 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड पर मैच्योर करा जाता है। इसके बाद ये क्रीम चर्नर में जाती है, जहां इसको बहुत तेज प्रेशर पर घुमाया जाता है, जिससे बटर अलग और मट्ठा अलग हो जाता है। निकले हुए बटर को एक साथ गूंथा जाता है, जिससे वो आपस में जुड़ जाए और फिर इसे ब्लेंडर में भेजकर इसमें नमक मिला दिया जाता है, जिससे अमूल बटर को अपना नमकीन टेस्ट मिलता है। अब मक्खन बनकर तैयार है, इसलिए अब इसका सैंपल लिया जाता है और बारीकी से उसकी क्वालिटी चेक करी जाती है। क्वालिटी पास होने के बाद इस बटर को पैकिंग के लिए आगे भेज दिया जाता है। यहाँ एक मशीन बटर पेपर को बिछाती जाती है और एक बड़ी नोजल के जरिए बटर निकलकर इस पेपर पर रेक्टेंगल शेप में काट दिया जाता है और दूसरी मशीन तुरंत इसे पैक कर देती है।
You all must be surprised. And after watching this video, I also came to know how the butter is prepared in a factory. So many ingredients are added and then the butter is packed and ready in the market. We have never imagined that so many ingredients is ready. So what we have to do? We have to apply some force to make something new. Here I am going to start a new chapter, force and pressure. What is force? Wow, it is a push or a pull that makes something move. So you all have wondered what is a push or what is a pull. So let us understand with the help of few examples which will really help you in better understanding. All have seen the video. What is push and what is pull? Push, when we really close the door and we push something, that is called a push, something away from us. And pull, when we close the door, something coming toward to us, that is called a pull. Now it is really easy to understand a difference between a push or pull. Now I am going to tell you two types of forces. One is contact force and other is non-contact force. Now two type of forces. Contact, when something in touch with each other, that is called the contact force. If I am trying to pull a car standing on the road, is it easy for me if I say khul ja sem a car move? No, it will not move on its own unless and until I push a car. That is called a contact force. That means two things should be in contact with each other. Now there are two types of contact forces. One is muscular force and other is frictional force. Muscular force, you have seen a coolie on the railway station carrying us too much of suitcases on his head. Unless and until he apply his muscles, he cannot carry so much heavy load. This is called muscular force. Next is frictional force. A ball rolling on the ground, it stops on its own because of force of friction. Now this I think is clear to everybody, two types of contact forces. Now non-contact force. Is it very easy to understand what is non-contact force? Now non-contact force, if I throw a pencil, it comes down on its own. What pulls it down? That is the gravity. Earth has a gravity and that is a gravitational force which pulls everything toward itself. That is called gravitational force. Now let's understand effect of forces. Force can change shape, it can change size, it can change direction, and even it can change speed of the objects. Now see a balloon. If you press between two palms, it can even change the shape if you prick it. So force can change shape, force can change size, it can do everything. Next is force can even change the direction of the object. So if the ball is in my hand, if I change to throw in my left or my right, it can even change the direction of the object. See, direction is changed now. So force can change the direction also, force can change the speed also. If I want to throw a ball, if Sachin Tendulkar wants to hit a bat and he wants to give a sixer, he has to throw to a greater speed. So it can change the speed also. Let's understand the speed also with the help of a ball. Now it's easy to understand force with the help of so many activities. So thank you. I hope you all liked it so much.